Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a nice little salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, sugar snap peas, and fresh basil. Now you're just going to laugh when you see how easy this really is. I have scaled this down because it's going to be mostly for me, actually all for me. And I'm not going to eat it all at once, I promise you that. But this is the kind of thing that you can use the amount of ingredients that you need to for the sake of whatever you're doing, whoever you're feeding at the time. So we're starting for some fresh cucumber that I've peeled and cut up. This is actually a half of a cucumber, and I did measure it out so you'd get an idea as to how much it is. That was 1 1/4 cups of cucumber. And then I have some sugar snap peas, and I took the ends and cut the ends off and then just cut them in half. That's all that is. And these are raw, untreated, other than they've been washed. And then I have 6 grape tomatoes that I've cut in half. Lengthwise, you could cut them in half across the other way if you prefer, no problem. And then I have the tops of 1 scallion that I've sliced. If I was making more salad, I would have used the entire scallion, the white part with it. I just wanted to cut it back a little bit. And now I have 3 fresh basil leaves that I've just torn up. Yes, I could have cut them, but they tend to bruise kind of easily. So I just tore them with my fingers. And now I'm just going to give this a little toss. And then I'm going to flavor it. And I think this would go really best with a vinaigrette type of dressing. You could really use any dressing you prefer. It could be a creamy dressing. It could be an oil-free dressing with an avocado base. It could be a honey mustard. I'm just partial to vinaigrettes because I'm raised Italian, so what can I say? So anyway, you don't have to use what I'm doing, but I'm including it in the description box below just so you know. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and again, if you want to do this, you can use any kind of vinegar you want. Red wine would be good, white wine would be good, any kind would be good. And now I'm going to just put a sprinkle of salt on this, and just a little bit. It does not need a lot. And now I'm going to toss this up. That is really all there is to this. I'm going to put it in a closed covered container, put it in the refrigerator, and allow it to marinate for a little while. I'd say if you let it sit for an hour, it would help the flavors to blend. Now I'm just going to put it in a plate. And you can go ahead and just enjoy it immediately if you want to. Really not a problem. But I find with cucumber salads like this, they're even better once they've been marinated for a little while. You do want to use them up within a day or 2 at the most. But obviously that's more than I'm going to eat at any one time. But I'm going to enjoy some for my supper tonight. And this gives you a little bit more of a close-up. Again, the recipe is below, so give this a try sometime, and I hope you enjoy it. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.